My question is, how is our Khalifa chosen?
Huh?
My question is, how is our Khalifa chosen?
How is Khalifa chosen? You see, you understand Urdu or English?
English, please.
Okay. Acha. You know, for the election of the Khalifa, there is an electoral college which elects Khalifa, right? That comprises of the national amirs, certain percentage of missionaries, and the executive members of the central body, Rabba, Anjuman and Tariq-e-Deed. ठीक है? So, and it used to be the first son of the companion of Hazrat Masih alayhi salatu wasalam. But now those have also, I don't think there is any more. But so this electoral college जो है, that elects Khalifa, right? And some names are proposed there and then. ठीक? The whole proceeding is done in camera, in closed doors. Huh? ठीक है? Or then I normally used to answer journalists that the election is the same as the Pope is elected, Catholic Pope, but without smoke. ठीक है? So whoever gets the majority votes, he is elected as Khalifa by that electoral college. Huh? ठीक है? It is not necessary that the Khalifa should be from among those people who are sitting in that electoral college, huh? In the election committee. Khalifa can even be elected from outside. A person who is sitting in Africa and he doesn't know of his name being proposed for Khalifa, he can be elected as Khalifa. And later on he will be brought to the scene. ठीक है? Even I didn't know when I was elected, then my name even will be proposed.